Good afternoon and welcome. And today you're at what we call the QR Code Hackathon on the topic of transition from the traditional barcode to the QR code. And on the one hand, of course, that's a big challenge. You will need to update your systems, you will need to update maybe some of your hardware, you need to talk to your suppliers and to your customers to make sure that the QR code is nicely embedded in your supply chain. So that's a challenge, but we also see this as a huge opportunity. So this QR code, especially when combined with the digital product passport, it gives you some possibilities that you did not have before. And those are the possibilities exactly that we want to explore today.
I think the group that is sitting here is the group of front runners in maybe the digital transformation, but also in the adoption of the QR codes powered by GS1.
Well, my experience in the transition to QR barcode is that it's not easy. It's a challenge. We really internally in our own company, but also with our suppliers and together with GS1, we really face some issues that we can cover, also with help of sessions like today.
The first major trend that is changing or that has significant influence on the business. So we are moving from firm-centric, ecosystem-centric business. And that is basically byproduct of the fact that customers require complete solutions, and these complete solutions require multiple stakeholders to come together to join the forces. And these are more complex solutions, so that is the reason why we need partners to join the forces and bring some kind of a solution as a partner.
2027 is the launch date. So on global level, all retailers are committing themselves to move from a 1D barcode to the 2D barcode. The trick is, it's not legislation. So we have to persuade each other, especially looking at the benefits, to move that transition forward. So this is why events like this are so important, to try to see the true value of a transition like this.
What you see is that the different level of knowledge about the 2D QR code, and I think it's very good to put everybody on the same page at this moment so that we can make the next step. Yeah, for us as a producer in the chain, the QR code is a very nice instrument to open up and give full transparency in the chain. That's why we want to use this technology as quick as possible.
In a few years' time we will really see that we have came to a new era. The new era that started 50 years ago with the 1D barcode, we will come into a new era with the 2D barcode. So I'm happy to be part of it, and hopefully we can in 20 years' time look back and say we were part of this transition, we started it, we made it happen.